to get cheap concert tickets. Ticketmaster tips. Want to see your favorite artists live but don't want to break the bank? Well, today I'm sharing the ultimate guide on how to get cheap concert tickets with Ticketmaster tips. Whether you're chasing front row seats or just want to experience the magic of live music without overspending, these strategies will help you score great deals. First up, be prepared with pre-sales. One of the best ways to get cheap concert tickets on Ticketmaster is to take advantage of pre-sales. Pre-sales give you early access to tickets before they're released to the general public. This means you get first dibs on seats, sometimes at better prices. The key here is preparation. First up, sign up for a fan club membership, artist newsletter, or credit card promotion. Many artists offer pre-sale codes to their most loyal fans through emails or social media. Additionally, certain credit card companies like American Express and Citibank offer exclusive pre-sale opportunities for their cardholders. By signing up for these options, you'll be among the first to secure tickets. Also, Ticketmaster itself often releases pre-sale access codes for those who subscribe to their platform or enable notifications. So make sure you're logged in, signed up and ready to go. A few minutes of preparation can make the difference between snagging affordable seats or missing out entirely. Now, pre-sales also help you avoid the crazy competition of general sales, where ticket prices may rise quickly due to dynamic pricing or high demand. So if you want cheap concert tickets, always look out for pre-sale announcements and stay ahead of the crowd. Next, timing is everything. Know when to buy. When it comes to getting cheap concert tickets on Ticketmaster, timing is crucial. Believe it or not, ticket prices can fluctuate dramatically depending on when you buy them. First, try to purchase tickets as soon as they go on sale. Early bird pricing often provides cheaper options before demand pushes the prices up. However, if you missed out on the initial release, don't worry, there's another window to grab deals. One of the lesser known Ticketmaster tips is that prices tend to drop closer to the concert date. This is because resellers or event organizers sometimes reduce prices to fill remaining seats. Keep an eye on Ticketmaster the week of the event and, if possible, even the day before. This approach works especially well for concerts that haven't sold out yet. Another tip? Well, avoid buying tickets during peak hours, such as lunchtime or evenings when everyone is online. Instead, check Ticketmaster early in the morning or midweek. Fewer people searching means less competition and better odds of snagging tickets at a low price. So whether you're planning months in advance or looking for a last-minute deal, understanding the best timing can save you a lot of money. Next, use Ticketmaster's verified resale option. Sometimes getting cheap concert tickets means taking advantage of Ticketmaster's verified resale feature. This option allows fans to resell their tickets directly through the platform, ensuring authenticity and fair prices. Unlike shady third-party websites where scams are common, Ticketmaster verifies the legitimacy of all resold tickets. This means you won't have to worry about being turned away at the venue with fake tickets. Verified resale can be a goldmine for discounted tickets, especially as the event date approaches and sellers drop prices to avoid losses. To make the most of this feature, monitor ticket prices regularly. Resale prices often fluctuate, so it's worth checking Ticketmaster a few times throughout the day. If you spot a good deal, act fast. These tickets can disappear quickly. Additionally, if you're flexible with your seating, you can often find resale tickets in less popular sections for much cheaper rates. So don't overlook this option. It's one of the safest and smartest ways to get affordable concert tickets. Next, look for special discounts and promotions. Another effective strategy for getting cheap concert tickets on Ticketmaster is to look for special discounts and promotions. Now, many concerts offer deals for students, military members, and seniors. If you fall into one of these categories, you can often access discounted tickets with a valid ID. Ticketmaster also runs occasional promotions where they offer 2-for-1 deals or discounted group rates. Now, these promotions might not always be front and center on the website, so it pays to dig a little deeper. Check the official Ticketmaster promotions page or follow their social media channels to stay updated on ongoing deals. Also, keep an eye out for off-peak concert times. Midweek shows or matinee performances are often cheaper than weekend events. Artists sometimes offer discounted tickets for these less popular dates to fill up the venue. So if you're flexible with your schedule, you can save a significant amount by choosing these options. Remember, promotions don't last forever, so be quick to grab them when you see them. Discounts and special deals are great ways to enjoy live music without stretching your budget. Utilize Ticketmaster's Smart Queue system. If you've ever tried to buy tickets for a high-demand concert, oh, you know how chaotic it can get. Fortunately, Ticketmaster's smart queue system helps streamline the process, but you need to know how to use it to your advantage. The smart queue essentially places you in a virtual line when tickets go on sale. To increase your chances of getting cheap tickets, log in to your Ticketmaster account at least 15 minutes before the sale begins. Make sure all your payment details are ready to go and your internet connection is strong. Avoid refreshing the page too often, as this can push you to the back of the queue. Instead, let the system do its job. Once you're in, move quickly to secure your tickets. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Use multiple devices to join the smart queue, and by accessing the sale through your laptop, phone and tablets simultaneously, you increase your chances of getting into the system faster. Just remember to stay organized and only complete the purchase once. Using the smart queue system effectively can give you a major edge over other buyers and help you grab those cheaper tickets before they sell out. Next, be flexible with seating options. If you want to save money on concert tickets, flexibility is key. Ticketmaster often offers tickets at different price points based on seating locations. The closer you are to the stage, the more expensive the ticket is, but that doesn't mean you can't still have an incredible experience. Consider opting for seats in the upper sections or further back. These tickets are often significantly cheaper and still offer a great view of the stage. Plus, with modern venue designs and giant screens, you won't miss any of the action. You can also look for obstructed view tickets. Now, these seats are sold at discounted rates because they might have slight obstructions, like a railing or pole. However, the obstruction is often minimal, and you can still enjoy the show at a fraction of the price. If you're going with friends, by the way, check for group ticket packages or split the cost of slightly pricier seats. Sometimes, small adjustments to your seating preferences can make a big difference in cost. Being flexible allows you to enjoy live music without overspending. After all, the energy of a live concert is unbeatable, no matter where you sit. Next up, follow the artist and venue for announcements. Finally, one of the most underrated Ticketmaster tips for getting cheap concert tickets is to stay connected with the artist and venue. Artists often release exclusive ticket drops or last-minute discounts for their fans. Another great tip, turn on notifications for Ticketmaster, artists and venues, so you never miss an announcement. The more you stay connected, the better your chances of scoring affordable tickets. Next up, set ticket alerts and use price tracking tools. Another excellent strategy to get cheap concert tickets on Ticketmaster is to set up ticket alerts and use price tracking tools. Many fans miss out on deals simply because they aren't aware when tickets drop in price or new options become available. Ticketmaster allows you to set up notifications for specific events, artists or venue. By enabling these alerts, you'll receive updates about ticket availability, price drops or additional seats released. This ensures you stay one step ahead without having to manually check the website multiple times a day. Additionally, you can use third-party price tracking tools or apps to monitor ticket prices. Some platforms analyze trends and notify you when prices are expected to drop. While Ticketmaster itself doesn't provide a direct tracking tool, pairing it with these external apps can help you time your purchase perfectly. Another trick, set alerts for multiple shows in nearby cities. Ticket prices often vary based on location, and you might find cheaper options in a city that's just a short drive away. If you're willing to travel a bit, you can enjoy the same concert at a fraction of the price. By using ticket alerts and price tracking tools, you maximize your chances of catching discounted tickets before they're gone. Small steps like these can make a big difference in your concert budget. And there you have it. These are the best tips to get cheap concert tickets using Ticketmaster. From pre-sales to verified resale options, timing strategies to seat flexibility. There's a way for everyone to enjoy live music without overspending. Start using these strategies today and catch your favorite artists live for less. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to share this video and let us know which tips worked for you. Thanks for watching and happy concert going. See you next time. Bye.